Hey friends, if you wish to scan and repair your Windows 11 computer system files using SFC scan, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. Now when you hit this, it does not mean that the scan has completed. It is a very long scan. It will start with verification, then it will start downloading files, installing files. So here's my advice: don't shut down your system meanwhile. Just right click on the start button, select settings, go to system, scroll down to power and battery, okay, and then click on this screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. Just change all the values to never. Okay, you can change it back to the normal ones later, but till the scan is done, just change it to never, because this scan takes a very long time. And keep it in the background and forget that it exists, and keep doing your work. It won't hinder anything. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.